Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles in an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for the dry mix. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter ready. This straightforward list ensures a delicious outcome with minimal fuss. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and baking powder until well combined. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Mix gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine for light, fluffy waffles. It's time to cook our delicious waffles. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting. While it heats, lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Once hot, pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the iron for each waffle. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Your easy waffles are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream are always fantastic choices. These homemade waffles are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.